Have you ever noticed how people treat you when you walk into a place? Two men walk through the same door. Nobody cares about one of them. The other one is welcomed. The door is opened, and he is shown the best table. Both of them are human. Both of them are customers. But they do not receive the same treatment, because in the real world, people do not only look at who you are, they look at how you appear, how you dress, how you speak, how much confidence you give off, and how much money you have in your pocket. Money does not only allow you to buy things. Money changes the amount of attention people give you. It changes the time people give you. It changes the treatment people show you. And one of the places where you see this most clearly is the service industry. Restaurants, hotels, luxury stores, jewelry salons, VIP rooms. Some people are just customers there. Some people are treated like important people the moment they walk in. Today, I am going to explain this to you, because this is not a video praising a luxury lifestyle. This is a video about understanding and seeing how the world reads money, status, and confidence. And once you understand this, you will understand much more clearly why some people are treated normally, while others receive special treatment. The service industry does not operate emotionally. It moves with a cold but simple logic. Will this person spend money? Will this person come back again? Is this person a valuable customer? Is this person a waste of time? Will this person cause problems and start an argument? Is this person special? They will not say these things to you, but the moment they see you, they try to understand them. Your clothes, your shoes, your watch, your jacket, your posture, your tone of voice, whether you are shy and hesitant, and how you treat people all send a signal, and the universe responds to signals. You go to a restaurant. If you look messy, nervous, and like someone who does not know what he wants, you may not be treated badly, but you also cannot become a special customer. The waiter does his job. He shows you the table where you will sit. He takes your order. He brings your food. He brings the bill, and that is it. But when you enter the same restaurant as someone who is calm, well-dressed, speaks clearly, and knows how to carry himself, the atmosphere changes. Reserved tables are offered to you. The waiter behaves more politely, and his tone softens. The waiter becomes more attentive. When you ask for something, it comes faster. You are made to feel not just like a customer, but like a valuable customer. Here is the painful truth. Most of the time, people do not see your real value. They see the value you project outward. Nobody sees the cleanliness of your heart. They do not know your past. They do not know how hard you worked. They only act according to the bias they form from what they see on the outside, and they give you energy according to those actions. In luxury stores, this is even more obvious. You walk into the store, the sales consultant looks at what you are wearing and how you carry yourself. This may seem rude, but it is part of their job, because not everyone who dresses expensive and luxurious is a buyer. Some people only look at the products. Some people ask the price and leave. Some people actually buy, and the store spends its energy according to the person it believes can buy. That is why some customers only hear, "Can I help you?" But for some customers, a special collection is brought out. Coffee is offered. They are taken to a separate table. The product is introduced and shown in a calmer area. The product is the same product. The store is the same store. But the treatment changes depending on the person, because your perceived level in that place has changed. There is one thing you should not misunderstand at this point. As Tyler, I am not telling you, go and try to look rich. That is nonsense. A fake watch, fake brands, fake luxury. These things do not make you rich. They only make you look insecure and low vision. What I am saying is much simpler. Carry yourself like a valuable person. Dress clean. Speak clearly. Do not panic or get overexcited. Treat people with respect. Know what you want. Learn to control your money. When you spend money, do not act weak. Act consciously, because financial power does not only begin in your bank account, it also begins in your behavior. It is the same in a hotel. Some people come to the reception desk. Their check-in is completed, their room card is given, and that is all. But when some people arrive, the attitude of the staff changes. They speak more carefully. They offer better room options. Their luggage is carried. The door is opened. If there is a problem, they rush to fix it immediately. So why does this happen? Because the service industry is aware of this, some customers do not only leave money that day, they are regular customers. They spend more money. They refer other people. They add prestige to the brand. If they are satisfied, they create value. If they are not satisfied, losing them becomes expensive. So the issue is not only money. The issue is the value you bring to that place. This is a big part of what we call wealth and power. More options, more patience, more attention, more respect, more doors opening for you. But the real lesson here is this. The universe may not treat you the way you deserve. The world often treats you according to the power you show. Is this fair? Not always. But is it real? Unfortunately, yes. And what a grown man needs to do is not love reality. He needs to learn how to use reality. If you are being treated like an ordinary person today, do not take it personally and cry about it. See it as a lesson. Ask yourself this. How do I look from the outside? How do I manage my money? Is my speech clear and understandable? Is my posture strong? Do I treat people with respect, but also with confidence? Or do I make myself look small everywhere I go? Because sometimes people treat you the way you treat yourself. If you carry yourself cheaply, the world sees you cheaply. But if you build financial discipline, manage your money, cut unnecessary spending, improve yourself, and build quiet power, over time the world will notice it too. One day, you walk into the same restaurant, but you are welcomed differently. You walk into the same store, but this time collections are shown to you. You go to the same hotel, but this time they speak to you more carefully. And then you understand. The place did not change. The people did not change. Only you changed. That is why the goal is not to look rich. The goal is to truly improve yourself and become stronger. Because the man who tries to look rich wants attention. But the man who is truly valuable and powerful naturally attracts attention. I am Tyler. Here we talk about money, behavior, and the real world as it is. Because money does not only change what you buy, money also changes how people treat you. But if you do not change first, your money will not save you either. Build discipline. Manage your money. Carry yourself properly. And do not wait for people to treat you differently. Become the man who deserves to be treated differently. Do not forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video.